I do.
I am doing.
I have done. He drives.
He is driving.
He has driven. I study.
I am studying.
I have studied. She cooks.
She is cooking.
She has cooked. They play.
They are playing.
They have played. I go to the gym every day.
I am going to the gym right now.
I have gone to the gym today. He reads.
He is reading.
He has read. You write.
You are writing.
You have written. He eats.
He is eating.
He has eaten. I learn.
I am learning.
I have learned. She sings.
She is singing.
She has sung. He eats breakfast at 7 a.m.
He is eating breakfast now.
He has eaten breakfast already. They run.
They are running.
They have run. We walk.
We are walking.
We have walked. You listen.
You are listening.
You have listened. He talks.
He is talking.
He has talked. I teach.
I am teaching.
I have taught. We watch movies on weekends.
We are watching a movie now.
We have watched that movie before. They swim.
They are swimming.
They have swum. You speak.
You are speaking.
You have spoken. He buys.
He is buying.
He has bought. I make.
I am making.
I have made. They play soccer every Saturday.
They are playing soccer right now.
They have played soccer for years. She sees.
She is seeing.
She has seen. They hear.
They are hearing.
They have heard. We find.
We are finding.
We have found. You get.
You are getting.
You have gotten. She reads a book every week.
She is reading a book now.
She has read 3 books this month. He gives.
He is giving.
He has given. I take.
I am taking.
I have taken. They build.
They are building.
They have built. We grow.
We are growing.
We have grown. You draw.
You are drawing.
You have drawn. He works.
He is working.
He has worked. I sleep.
I am sleeping.
I have slept. She wakes.
She is waking.
She has woken. I call my friend every day.
I am calling my friend now.
I have called my friend twice today. We cook dinner every night.
We are cooking dinner now.
We have cooked dinner already. They travel.
They are traveling.
They have traveled. He cleans.
He is cleaning.
He has cleaned. I wash.
I am washing.
I have washed. She opens.
She is opening.
She has opened. They close.
They are closing.
They have closed. We choose.
We are choosing.
We have chosen. I exercise every morning.
I am exercising now.
I have exercised already. He loses.
He is losing.
He has lost. I try.
I am trying.
I have tried. They wait.
They are waiting.
They have waited. He remembers.
He is remembering.
He has remembered. You write letters often.
You are writing a letter now.
You have written 2 letters this week. He drives to work every day.
He is driving to work now.
He has driven to work already. She studies for her exams.
She is studying for her exams now.
She has studied for hours today. They play football every weekend.
They are playing football now.
They have played football twice this month. I listen to music every morning.
I am listening to music now.
I have listened to 3 albums today. We clean the house every Saturday.
We are cleaning the house now.
We have cleaned the house today. She teaches English every day.
She is teaching English now.
She has taught English for years. I drink coffee every morning.
I am drinking coffee now.
I have drunk 2 cups of coffee today. They study languages every day.
They are studying languages now.
They have studied 2 new languages this year. I meditate every morning.
I am meditating now.
I have meditated for 20 minutes today. Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!